Hello guys, here is a real good trick for producers of house music. For producers of music. I will show you. Here I have a track that I made. We can hear a little bit of it.
Ay, qué rico se ve eso.
Okay, you have vocal, harmonic, then drums, bass and kick, okay? But here, what we have a reference. This is the most important thing you can do if you want to be creative when you produce music. How can I show you this? So, here there is a track and I heard it really closely. And then there is an intro with a kick and then a break without a kick and then drop, drop. A false break, a drop, and then break, break, drop, drop, an outro. What does it mean? That means that when you are stuck in a project, you don't know how to be creative, you use a reference. And then the reference, what do you have in your intro? You have a kick, you have some elements, some drums, but a little bit of voice, then nothing, break. No drum elements, just synthesizer, little bit of voice, then maybe a fill, no, just a drop. This is really interesting, in fact. Why? Because if I am doing a track without an example, maybe I won't be lost and maybe I won't be boring. Why? Because I can decide to do drops, the first drop the same as the second drop and the same as the third drop. You know what I mean? And then the first break can be the same as the second break and the third break, but that is really bad to do it like that. And maybe with your feels, you feel it is maybe annoying, you don't know how to do the intro, the outro, and in fact, you just have to buy a reference track that you really love, that is in the style of the music you play and you want to play and you want to produce, and then you will have an idea. It's not copying, it is just to be inspired, because look, my track is not the tracks that I'm producing. My track, it's not the same, huh?
Ay, ay.
But the first track, the reference, really inspired me to make the structure of the track. Guys, if you're interested in that kind of process, I wrote a book just here, How to Arrange Modern Music. And I show you how to arrange music now with a lot of concepts, how to do raw mix, how to do transition, how to do the structure, how to do the loop, the signature loop. So it is really interesting if you want to make progress in your music. To have this book, it is available on Apple and Amazon, and you have videos in the book too, with QR code. Okay, so Hope you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe to this channel because I will give a lot of cheats. So, ciao!